Okay. Well, you know it's Young T, stepping back on the instrumental beat. And I'm rolling through these H-Town streets once again, man. You know I'm sipping on the gin with my nigga Billy. He just got out, bitch. We reppin' that dirty south. Straight walk up and bust all the tea out your mouth. Yeah, you know I'm coming through, and you know I'm with my crew, and we gon' murk you if you runnin' that mouth that I not mention. That I'm from the dirty south and we don't fuck around, man. I thought I told y'all, them niggas down south, we don't play, man. We gon' catch a round, end up in the ground. If you fucking around at B-Town, niggas know I wear that fucking crown, and you know it's going down every motherfucking night, man. I'm ready for the fight anytime. Bitch, I got you with them fucking rhymes, and you know I'm coming through, and I'm crooked. Yeah, got all these niggas looking. And they looking at me, and I'm feeling so fresh, and I'm looking like the best. Yeah, I'm coming through, and you know I'm with my crew. Done got me on that drink, man. I really can't think. Every motherfucking day I straight smoking on the hay just to calm my damn nerves. Niggas haven't heard that my name is T-Money, but I'm coming through. Make you look soft like a bunny. Man, y'all don't want it when I step off in the flow. Man, you niggas know I'm about to go and make all you niggas choke. Man, that's stupid. Bitch, I'ma hop up off the floor if I embarrass all of y'all. Man, niggas know I ball.